Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be walking you through complete coding solutions to a very interesting problem. Here I will explain about the problem statements with the example input output cases and also provide the solution in my way I approach it. So if you are a beginner or preparing for a placement, this is going to be super helpful. So let's move on to the topic. The question is, the program must accept the string S and n word as output. The string S always contains exactly 26 lowercase alphabet in any order. So the position of an alphabet in the string S represents the score of the alphabet. The program must find the score of each word among the n words by finding the sum of score of each alphabet in the word. The program must print the word which has the maximum score as the output. If two or more words have the same maximum score, the program must print the first occurring word as the output. So, what they actually given and what they asked means here the program first we need to get one input string and the n number of words in array as the input. So, the string is always contain, the string must contain a 26 letter, that is all lowercase. So 26 lowercase alphabet means the string may be in the form of A to Z or Z to A or in shuffled way of 26 that alphabet letters. So it is in any order, it will be as the input. So the position of the alphabet in the string represent the score of the alphabet. So here the position of the alphabet in the string, that means C. For example, if the input string is like A, B, C up to Z, means the first position starting from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, or from 0 to 25, everything that is your wish. So up to 26. So if the S alphabet is, they give the input as A, B, C, D up to Z, means that starting value is 1 to 26. So suppose if they give us input from Z to A, means that also start from 1 to 26. Okay. So if they give us shuffled way, that is W, A, C, Z. Likewise, they give 26, that is shuffled orderly. They give the 26 letter, means for that also we take from 1 to 20. So whatever the order they give, the string must contain the 26 letter, that is alphabet letter, that is lowercase. So this thing you understand very well. That only they given the position of an alphabet in the string is represent the score of the alphabet. So the program must find. So here what they given, our task is find the score of each word among the n words. So we get the input in a string array, number of words in a string array. From that string array, we have to find the score of each word. So after we finding the score of each word, we have to find which word has the maximum score. That score only, maximum score, that word only we have to print. So that is the expected output. The another case they given, what this means, if two words in that string array, if two words have same maximum score, that is if one word apple, another word banana, means if both word score is 25, means we have to take the first occurrence. So see, first occurrence is the output. So they give the boundary condition is, that is length of each word should be 1 to 100. So input format they given. First we have to get the input as string S. Then second line we have to get input as n. That is number of word we get it from the user. So next line contain the string value. That is the string array. Output format is already we know that maximum score word. So see here, I will take one simple input example, that is input is from A to Z. So see, it has the 26 alphabet letters. So next input is n. They are asked to get the n. So n, it represents the number of input string words. Okay, so if n is 5 means you all know that n is 5 means we have to get the 5 words. See, first word, second word, third, fourth, fifth. Pen, gold, the first index word. That is, take this. Okay, so see here the first index word, that is 0 index word is pen. If we take a number as 5, so we get the input as 5 string word. Okay, the output is doll. How it doll? So I will give the explanation how the output is done. See here n is 5. So there are 5 words and the scores. I will explain how it give. So what I told earlier, if A to Z means we have to take the value from 1 to 26. So see here, if A to Z means the first word they take pen. So first pen, that P, that character respective that index value is 16. So for E 5, N 14. So we have to sum all of this and then we keep it. And then likewise we have to find for the N words sum of the score. So next what is, so see here maximum score is both two words have this maximum score, that is 43, and then book also have 43. So we have one condition, what is if two or more words have same score means we have to print the first occurrence. So here doll and book have the same score value. So what is our output? We have to take the first occurrence only. The first occurrence word is doll. Okay, see here, so here I will give the explanation. So only output is doll. So consider the second example test case. The input, I think screen is visible. Okay. If the input format is in reversed way, they give Z, Y, sorry, X, W up to A. So the N is 4. They got the input from the user as 4 string word. So output is candle. Okay. Hmm. Output is candle. How? Likewise, from assume that index value is 1 up to 26, and then we have to find the score for each word, and then which word have the maximum score means that word only we have to print the out. So I think you clearly know about the explanation of the question. I think while I'm explaining the question, some of them are having the ideas how to solve this. If you have ideas to how to solve this means you solve it in own way and produce your code with the output in comment box. Because if some people have to know multiple approach means they also known from your code also. So that is very useful to the useful for beginners. So because they, if this question asked anywhere means they have multiple approach to solve the problem. So if anyone got the idea while I am explaining this question means you complete your code and put it in my comment section. So okay, now explain my approach way how to solve this. Okay, sorry. Okay, I use the Java concept. Okay, for this question problem, I explain in the Java. Oh, sorry. This is yeah. Okay, I use the Java. I think for a beginner also see the video means don't worry. I explain the line by line. I think you may know the syntax and the basic concept in Java. So don't worry. I will explain it line by line. So, okay, see here. First, our task is to get the input string. So, in the main function, inside the main function, I use the scanner class. So, this is the scanner, sorry, scanner class for getting the input. So, first, in question, first they asked about the, we have to get input as a string. So, this line is for getting the input from string. Okay. Next line, get the number as n, get the n as integer. Okay. Next, here this s dot next line is, while I am putting this x dot next line means, so here after we getting the integer n. So for example, if we get the integer as 5 means, 5 means if we not give this s dot next line means how the program will execute means if we enter the integer input as 5 and then if we press the enter means it will leave the one new line character symbol. Okay, it will leave a new line character symbol. So if we use s dot next line means it will not leave this that new line character symbol. Okay, I will told. So next, so next create the string array with a size of 100 and then using the for loop in this s1 of I. S1 of I we get the up to n. The loop end when it reach the size of n. So up to that we get the input as a word from the string. See like the input for example hmm, pole, dog, cat like this. Okay, dog, pig, flower like this 5 input example. So here one problem is occur because I explained this line. If we not put this line means how then next dot int of it will, if we not put the next line means here it will leave the new line ASCII character after we get the integer. So if we not put means it will leave this while we are getting the string from the input as user it not get the n string. Okay, it not get the n string as input, it only get the n minus string as input from user. Why? Because the integer, wait, sorry. Because this integer value will leave the non-ASCII character because of we not putting this line. So it leaves the non-ASCII character. So only it not get because while traversing this for loop, first index it consider the new line character as a string, and then it only execute the it only get the 4 word as the integer and leave it the last string as the null. While I'm executing the program, I will clearly show it. Next to what I did means I said the declare the integer value that is sum 0 and then index 0 and then I traverse the string loop. So what is my logic means I have to like I traverse the string array by getting if index 0 value I will get the string as pole. So I keep the string in one that string variable yes and then I find that word length I kept it into an integer variable k and then I set the c is equal to 0 because why I am keeping this means here is the that variable here it is store, it store the score of the word for temporarily only. That is I explained clearly. So this loop what this loop run up to that string word length only this loop will execute. So here c is equal to c plus s dot index of l dot char of I will explain it first. Here l dot caret of m this function only executes. So in the l dot caret of m it return the index value. Okay, this will return the index value and then sorry l dot caret of m here I will give wait. So here in the m it has the index value. Okay, so caret what it return means it caret of function return the character. Okay, it will return the character here. So consider the value if pole the word is come here means first it return the p index value is 0. that is present here. L dot caret of a m. Using this, we get this character p. Okay. Now the index of. So now the index of work is it return the index value from the input our string. From the input string that a b c d, it has index value from 1 to 26. So using index of value, we return the position index value of the particular character what it be given here. So after find, it return one position value, that is 1. Otherwise, the index value is start from, as we all know, index value start from 0 to n minus 1. So here it return what if it return, if the character is a, means it return the position value as 0. Our task is consider that index value is from 1 to 26. We mindly we fixed that, but here it works the index value from 0 to 26 only. So I think, okay. So here we need to increment the one index value because the value is uh, because the string from A to Z, its score value we assume it from 1 to 26. Okay. So only we need to increment the index value plus 1 and then add with the C. After complete the loop, its output is the first word. Index first word per score value only to give the output in the C. So we have to compare. Now what our task is, output value is maximum score of the string. Okay, wow. So only we use the if concept here. We have to check if our the word score value is greater than sum, means here we sum for first time we set the 0. Okay, wow. But in this sum only, okay, wow, sum only we have the maximum score of the value, maximum score value. In this index why we use means that maximum score, that string index value it will have, it will store. So if C is greater than sum, means we kept that C in the sum, C score in the sum, and then we kept that index value because in this index it contains the maximum score of the string but index value is plus. So finally we print that this S1 of index, means here index value it contain the maximum score of the string. So if here cat have the maximum score, means it 0, 1, 2. So this index value is present here. So if we print S1 of I, means here here it display the output as maximum score of the word. It show this output. Okay, wow. So this is my approach. If you have optimum approach, if you have any optimum approach, means you, if you have optimum approach, means you will you say you comment that approach in comment box. Okay. So now I will run the code. We need to save this first. See, our file name should be same as what our class name. My class name is hello.java. Okay. We have to save this. I saved it. Wait a minute. Remove jdk bin. We need to copy the path. Okay, first. So open in command prompt. My project is in redirect. Redirected now underscore program folder. There we have to set the path. Now first we need to compile the file. Okay. Yeah, no error. Next we have to run this. Oh, okay. It asked the input. Okay, I refer the question for this. because I need to. Here first my task is enter the string. For this A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Next I enter the n value is 5 and the words are pen, gold, doll, coin, book. So see here maximum word is doll. So see here, if I remove this S dot, sorry, I will comment. I remove this S dot, next line means how the program will work. Let's see how program. So using string AB. I enter the integer as 5. Now pen, gold, doll, coin. See here, it not get the fifth string word, that is book I entered. So that input string here it will not process it. It produce the output as dot. Why? That thing only I will explain. If we not give this means that an extent of this thing. Next int of it get the integer value as the input and then leave the new line character. Okay, and then next we using this loop to get the input string value. So far here first see, first the new line character new line character is present here. So for loop for I0 means it consider as that that value as the null and then it omit one string from the traverse. So only it get the only four string value as the output. For proof I will comment that line. Okay. If I print the fifth character, that is S1 of n minus 1 means, see, it will display the values now. Sorry, n is small. Okay. Pen, gold, doll, coin. See here, it give the last value as coin only. But if we traverse that means it produces the null value as the output. If we work out and say I already worked it, displays that as only the output. I think you everyone clearly know about this problem and how I give the solution. This way is easy for the beginner. If they have any other approach, that is optimum way to solve the problem, means no need to without using this loop. I have the idea, ma'am. That any of them have that idea also, you share this into comment section. Everyone is know about the another approach. So that is for today's video. I hope you found the explanation clear and solution helpful. If you enjoy this content or learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such coding tips and tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion for future topics, drop me in the comment